Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring Drive is installed and you're signed in. This avoids permission delays. Next, open Photos, pick the video, and tap Share to either save to files or open Drive's upload. If you upload from Drive, use the plus button, choose Upload, then browse to find your video. Do this so the video is stored in Drive's cloud rather than locally. That makes generating a shareable link fast and reliable. Once done uploading, locate the video in the Drive app and tap the three-dot menu to open sharing options. You need to change link access from restricted to anyone with link if you want broad access. Otherwise, add specific people via email. Make sure to pick Viewer unless recipients must edit the file. That preserves the original video. Changing permissions is the why. It controls who can open your file, and it must be set before you copy the link. You finish by tapping Copy Link and placing the URL on your clipboard. Now paste it into Messages, Mail, or any app to share. Before sending widely, test the link in Safari to confirm playback and permissions work as intended. If playback fails, make sure the upload completed and your Drive app is updated. Also verify the link access setting hasn't reverted to restricted. If problems persist, reupload the file or sign out, and back into your Google account to reset permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.